Hi guys, you are back in my channel, Princess of Nusa. If you guys are watching my previous video, the most beautiful lake view villa in Bedugul, so this trip is related into my stay. While me and my friends are staying in Bedugul, we are doing a road trip to Buleleng, where all the most beautiful waterfalls in Bali are located. It takes about an hour from our villa, but if you are driving from Seminyak or Denpasar, you will need to drive about 2.5 hours. You will get an amazing driving experience here. All that beautiful sceneries, passing the beautiful Beratan Lake, and passing one area where a lot of monkeys. Some part of the road is pretty steep and narrow, especially when you start to enter the village where the waterfall is located. Always drive carefully or ask locals to drive you around.
Bagus banget. Gimana kakak Prita?
Kita sedang menjelajah desa Kandungan.
Dan dari tadi gimana jalannya?
Ekstrim!
Ekstrim.
It may not be visible here, but this is pretty a climb. That's why the passenger at the backside are panicking. We finally arrived. So we pay 10,000 rupiah per person for the entrance fee and 150,000 rupiah to get a guided waterfall trek as well as activities. Jadi kita turun, katanya cuma 5 menit ke Blue Lagoon. So we'll stop by in Blue Lagoon first. Terus begitu Alia nanti mau turun jam gitu di Aling Aling. Dan we'll see the video ya. Our guide told us to just go down to Aling Aling waterfall first. It's about 40 meters high and in the lowest level of this waterfalls area. It starts raining when we were there, but it's okay, we're loving the adventure. And yes, it is my turn to cross the river. This is Pak Wija, our guide. As you may see here, he is so kind and very helpful. He makes sure our safety and he knows all the best spot and best itinerary when we are there. Okay, the walk is pretty okay. And we just crossed the river and we finally arrived. If you guys an adrenaline rush seeker, you can try sliding at Kroya Waterfall here.
3 meter tinggi ya, Cong.
For me, I'm happy for just being a photographer because I'm scared. Yep, I know, she's crazy, right? But it was only a warm-up session. Wait until you see what is going to happen next. Pak Wi just show us his regular backflip jump. Yeah, that's very easy. Not. And my lovely friend here, Alia, is thinking how to jump like he did. Or maybe she will just jump like normal people. You guys won't believe that this is only her first jump. The second time she did without a vest. Crazy! While me and my other two best friends here, we just love taking pictures and videos. Pak Wijan led us to the other part of the waterfall. He said there is a short jump there. So here, my other two friends are jumping as well. While me, I'm still happy being a videographer. Oh wait, behind that short jump, there is also a much taller jump. It's 10-meter height and look, Alia is jumping again. jumping session, we are walking back up, heading to Blue Lagoon. Here in Blue Lagoon, people mostly are just relaxing, chilling, and swimming. Of course, as you see here, this is the best spot for picture. You can just act and pose like you are a photo model. My friend Gilang here in the middle, he cannot swim, but he's so brave by only wearing the vest and the trust to these two girls. He swam to the other part of Blue Lagoon. And this is the reason why we go to the other side. Swing and jump. We really have so much fun here. So that's it. We spent our day from 11 o'clock until 3:30 in the afternoon. Spare your energy to walk back up. That's quite a lot of stairs.
Udah seru banget.
Aku sih udah biasa naik turun tangga.
Biasa banget, Say.
Lumayan ya kegiatan hari ini. Tadi kita sampai jam 11. Terus sekarang udah jam 3:30 kayaknya. Terus kita belum makan siang, gengs. Oke. Berjuang dulu naik ke atas, oke?
Get to like, comment, and subscribe my channel, Princess of Nusa. See you in the next video.